PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday afternoon, the 28th day of April. Another warm and dry day across the state. The warm weather here to stay, but we could use a little rain. And let's take a look and see what's coming up in the days ahead. We'll take a look at the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. That's the view coming from Jasper up on top of the King building. A few fair weather cumulus clouds dotting the sky. Almost identical conditions down in Shelby County on the campus of the University of Montevallo and in East Alabama. Sky basically looks the same there. That's coming from Mount Cheahaw State Park, which is about 25 miles south of downtown Anniston. Water vapor satellite shot, big upper trough back over the northwestern U.S. and a 588 ridge over the southern half of the Atlantic coast. Very warm conditions for the southeast United States, and on the western flank of that heat ridge, we've got showers and storms. Pretty good cool down behind that, behind the surface boundary, 50s over a large part of the nation north of the front. Chicago sitting at 56. You've got 57 in Oklahoma City, but notice over the east, 80s, and I see readings around 90 in New York City. Record warmth up there. Temperatures around 90 in Washington, D.C. and Baltimore today. In terms of rain, as we expected, nothing out there today. That's the radar at 225. All of the echoes are ground return. And there might be a speck or two somewhere today, but most folks are going to stay dry. Temperatures are mostly in the low 80s around here at 2 o'clock, although Montgomery has hit 85. Convective outlook, rest of today and tonight, a slight risk of severe weather. West Texas, parts of east New Mexico. Tomorrow, once again, the same general area, western Texas, a bit northward up into parts of Kansas and Nebraska, the plains of eastern Colorado. Day 3, slight risk of severe weather from Gage, Oklahoma to Indianapolis, Indiana. And on day 4, which happens to be Friday, severe weather risk from Childress, Texas up to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Heaviest rain in that same general area from the Red River on the Texas-Oklahoma border up into New York. Heaviest on the board there, 5.7 inches, a little southwest of Little Rock. And again, you can see the tremendous gradient here. You go from potential for 1 inch of rain up in the northwestern corner to nothing below Clanton. And again, I'm not convinced we see that much statewide for the next 5 days. This is valid through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. Look at the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow at 500 millibars. Again, you can see the ridge a little flatter, but it's still there, and accordingly, we think there might be a few little isolated showers tomorrow. There's this surface chart. The better chance, obviously, along and north of Interstate 20. And understand they're going to be widely spaced. Many folks will not see rain. Some of you might catch a brief afternoon shower. Thursday, pretty much the same deal. Quite frankly, that looks pretty dry. We'll be in the low and mid-80s. And Friday, same deal. Warm, humid. If any showers do pop up Friday afternoon, they should be very, very isolated. Most spots not getting wet. The most organized rain stays north and west. What about the weekend? There's a look at Saturday. A weak surface boundary along Interstate 40 just north of here. And again, that might kick off a shower in a few scattered spots, but certainly no washout. And Sunday, again, the better rains north of here. Little Rock, Memphis, Nashville, Louisville. Any shower should be pretty scattered. Let's look at next week. The GFS now tries to push the front a little farther south Sunday night and Monday, hinting perhaps a little better chance of showers by Monday of next week. And then Tuesday, again, we've got somewhat of a trough just northwest of the state, down at the surface, a stall surface boundary down in here. Just a warm, muggy, soupy air mass with a chance of scattered showers. But again, nothing really heavy or organized or no severe weather, if this is right. We'll just jump right up there to the end of the forecast. This is May the 14th out there at mid-month. trough ridge trough over the nation. Kind of got ridging here, and that means dry as a bone. So I'm telling you, looking out to 15 days, while inevitably we will see a number of days with scattered showers in terms of a big widespread rain event. It's just not showing up right now. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening if you are local to us. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.